or not a 4? Trying to see if the fuel cell could actually work behind the driver's seat, but it looked like it definitely have to go in the wheel well in the trunk. I was trying my very best to try to get it to work, but let me set you right here. Alright, so probably like this from this angle, placing the fittings at the back, but I'm running in some clearance issue. Probably still can't work, you know, but still can't work. It's high. Didn't want it to sit so high, but have to cut some pole to fit it like this. See if it will work. Got too high. See it from this direction. Too high. The two I want it to set with the fluid to run to. I want the fluid to always be at this end. This would be high if I set it on the ramp there. Let me see how well I can do it right here. I need the fluid cell to have a tilt like this. If you have a tilt like this. If you have a tilt like this. Easier back. What you need none of that. Cut the pipe to actually fit the fluid cell in the trunk. I had some flat leaves, quarter-inch flat iron. I'm going to use to try and mount it with the board. So I measured in the trunk, it's nearly 2 feet, this is 18. So I'm gonna cut this 1/4 inch flat iron and see how well I can bolt it with the fuel cell in the car. Remember guys, when using these tools, can't stress enough, you have to have on your safety glasses. You know, these are dangerous tools. You know, a lot of persons I know don't even like using these tools. Whether with the car or with the mechanics. Cut it. So, just gonna mount it in the car. See how well it fits. Let's see if I get the bolt. Tricky. It's a full aisle. This is our aisle. Yo, where lead you work at the island here again?
Teresa, I think she has it.
So there today. So we have 4 big nut and bolts. So I'm gonna go home right now. Well, I have at a pawn shop to go, but you know, I will take you on the journey. You know, I think these can work. what I should do, I should go ahead and complete this project first, because so here you have it, guys. The fuel cell is fully bolted in the car. As you can see, this is not going nowhere. It's sturdy. Yeah, only thing is left right now is to run the fluid lines. As you can see, I already started to run some of the line. I just put this to mock up how I'm going to do it. Still have other hose. I still have a sender hose I need to get to send the gas to the rail. You know, it's on back order right now. I'm hoping to get it by next week. I already did the return line already. I already started working on the return line already. So, you know, well, it took me like 20 minutes to actually get this, or 30, half an hour to get this in the car bolted. Went to the hardware and pick up some bolts, you know, at Rapid. So yeah, guys, this is it for the mounting of the fuel cell. I might show how I do the lines, the new lines that I'll be running in the car for this setup. As you can see, as I said in this video, you probably seen I have the fuel pump and the filter already set up, but that's just for mock-up purpose. But it's a highly possibility that is where I'm gonna put it for now, until maybe I change my mind, but that's probably how I will be running it in the car. I still have some fine-tuning to do, a lot of work to be done under the car when I'm running the line. I definitely have to find a way to put the return and the sender line in one, to run it in a straight line under the car. But I'm just waiting until I get the other hose. I can actually do that. So yeah, this will be it for this video, guys. So please like, share and subscribe, and you know, stick for more content on this EK. We will be going to Ironshore this Sunday to catch some clips, you know. Really thinking, you know, if I wasn't so busy and all the parts came in the right time, I will probably be ready for Jam West, but it do not look like I will be making it to Jam West on the 26th with this car. I will definitely be there to represent Puffy Don production, and I will be, you know, I'm just gonna go to represent and support, and meet up with some of my other friends that are gonna be at race. Some are gonna make it, some are gonna be on the track, you know. But for who can't make it, you know, I will be there just the same.